Hello everyone, I'm back with the last lesson for part 2 questions related to people. Well, I'm pretty sure that you have already covered most of the video files in this category, and here I am with the last video file. Today we're going to be talking about the expressions of role model. Well, for part 2 questions, you have to talk about someone. You have to describe someone in details, and you can tell the examiner that what role he or she is playing in your life, the person that you are talking about. Whether it's your mother, your mentor, your teacher, your neighbor, whoever. So let's take a look at some of these expressions together. Follow me, please. So here we have the expression role model, but when we use it, when someone influences your behavior. Take a look at this example. My mother has been a great role model for me. Okay, so instead of saying my mother is important to me, you can come up with this alternative. Let's take a look at another one. Mentor, when someone gives you advice. So you could say, my old brother acts as a mentor for my studies. Now, here we go. Hero. When you admire their character. For example, my grandfather is my hero because he's so brave. Let's check the next one. Hard worker. To describe their work ethic. She is a real hard worker who never gives up. And take a look at two more. Good example. When their actions are worth following. He sets a good example. Remember, this is a perfect collocation. He sets a good example. He sets a good example by always being punctual. Okay? And punctual means on time. Remember, punctual is an adjective, punctuality is a noun. And always remember this, that using noun gives you a better score than using adjectives because they're among less common type of expressions and structures. So you could say that my mom or my teacher is a punctual person, or you could say that he respects punctuality much. The second one will give you a better example because punctuality is the noun. Someone I look up to explain your respect. My teacher is someone I really look up to. Okay, it means that he is my role model. So, to make the long story short, when it comes to describing someone, you can talk about his or her role in your life by using all these simple expressions. Okay? And there are some quizzes. You can simply do them. And I hope that you can get yourself closer to your desired band score.